Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create vertical images in Hailuo AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Hailuo AI, and what I can tell you is that there is no specific option at the moment in Hailuo that allows you to create a vertical image. However, it will do it if you just create the vertical image outside of Hailuo. So for example, here is one that I've already done, and you can see that it's in a vertical format, and that is because that is how it was first created. So once you create your image, you have it, it's in a vertical format, then all you have to do is come to the image to video option, upload your video and generate, and when it generates, it should generate in the vertical format as it was when you first uploaded it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.